Are you looking for a flexible way to earn extra money on the side? Look no further. In this inspiring video, we will share a free platform where you can start earning extra income right from the comfort of your own home, anywhere, anytime. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Imagine earning cash rewards just by sharing your opinions and insights. Mr. Survey offers an empowering opportunity to turn your voice into extra income, all from the comfort of your own home or on the go. Mr. Survey offers a simple way to earn extra money by taking online surveys. They provide a convenient side job that can be done anywhere, anytime, making them an ideal option for earning extra cash. With Mr. Survey, you can start earning extra income right from the comfort of your own home. All it takes is a few minutes a day completing simple online surveys, and you could be making money while you multitask or relax. Mr. Survey is an online platform that offers paid survey opportunities to its members. Upon joining, users can expect to receive new surveys on a daily basis. By completing these surveys, participants have the opportunity to earn monetary rewards. Mr. Survey is a legitimate and reliable site. Launched in 2019, the site has attracted hundreds of thousands of users globally. You can register for free and create a profile with your personal and demographic information. Signing up only takes a few minutes, and you'll have surveys right away to complete wherever you are. Surveys will be based on your profile and interests. You'll receive a reward for each completed survey, with the amount varying based on the time or difficulty required. Now, you might wonder, what is Mr. Survey's payment options? They're pretty cool. You can get your hands on some cash through PayPal, or if you're more of an online shopper, you can get Amazon gift too. Pretty sweet deal, right? It's nice to have options when it comes to getting paid. What are you waiting for? Transform your spare time into a steady stream of supplemental income. Sign up for Mr. Survey today and get paid to share your thoughts. Make your mark and join the movement. In the end, thank you for watching the video. If you found it valuable, please show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.